name's Edward. I'm a basic student. I come from KS International School in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm doing a project on greenhouse gases in science. So I decided I should make a YouTube video and post it on YouTube so I can write students about this topic. Let's get started. I think you guys have known what is it already, uh, but I'm still gonna talk about it again. So greenhouse gases was a type of gases that can trap heat. So greenhouse effect means when sun release heat into Earth, the heat mostly just bounces off back into space. But when we have greenhouse gases, the heat will be trapped inside Earth. Only some of them will bounce back in space. This keeps Earth from froze to from freezing like moons. Moons is, as we know, at daytime at moons super hot and at nighttime it's super cold because there's lots of stir, so there's no greenhouse gases. But if there's too much greenhouse gases, and that's a bad thing too, because heat cannot all the heat will be absorbed by Earth and global temperature will rise about the sea level and change the climate and these kind of stuff. This costs a lot. There's five type of greenhouse gases, but I'm only gonna talk about here. These are the two main types of greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide and methane. Carbon dioxide are basically produced by human activity, so it's by transportation like cars and industry like burning fossil fuels or the chemical process in industries. So when we burn oil and fossil fuels, they just make carbon dioxide. Methane is if we are talking about agriculture, then methane is caused by cows because when cow poops or fart, it release methane to the air. This is some of the concepts of gases. The largest source for greenhouse gases is electricity production. Basically, people will think it's like pollution or industry is the largest causes, but actually not. Electricity production means the production that generates energy for us. So most 67% of our electricity come from burning fossil fuels and natural gases, and this releases carbon dioxide to the air. So this is the biggest cause. The second biggest cause is transportation. Over 90% of cars, airplanes, trucks, and energy are coming from burning fossil fuels, especially oil stuff. So it releases greenhouse gases. Industry is one of the main causes too. Greenhouse gases are coming from basically burning fossil fuels for energy, making machine move, and certain some chemical reaction during the process. Then we have house use. This is very related to us. It's the primary cause is still burning fossil fuels and use and like when we heat water it use energy, so the energy is still coming from burning fossil fuels. Also these light bulb and heat that we create and air cons. Last but not least, agriculture and land use. One cow produces 17 to 120 kilogram of methane a year. Sheep need a lot of space of grass, so people have to cut off trees to create this space for farming and for sheep. So this is deforestation. And also, the important thing is once the food are wasted, wasted food don't just create the economy loss, they also produce 3.3 gigatons of greenhouse gases each year, and it's a lot. effect of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases can go into air and cause disease like lung cancer to people. This is basically air pollution, as we talk about. This many countries in Asia has very bad air quality, like Beijing. There's another video about air pollution on my channel. Go check it out. Greenhouse gases also store heat from atmosphere, so they go down and release some heat and rise global temperature. And when sea level rise, some country will get flooded. Like these big countries like Bangkok, Shanghai, they're near the sea, so they'll be the first countries that get flooded, like Atlantis. And when we see the long-term effect of greenhouse gases, it's actually climate change. So climate change is basically the change of climate, the change of weather. When we talk about climate change, people might just say like climate change will cause a lot of rain and it will cause flood, or like it will cause no rain and it will make land dry down. But actually, it's about this. All these things are about our agriculture. Think about it. When you have no rain, how can like anything grow? Well, a very rich farm, well, if there's 3 years of bad weather, just become desert. This is one of the graphs on internet about greenhouse gases. So methane, methane is 60%, and then carbon dioxide was caused by two biggest causes. One is burning fossil fuels and industry progress, and second one is forestry and other land. There are 9 ways to reduce greenhouse gases because everything have a solution. We are the causes, but we can be the solution too. First is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So as we, it's just what I mean. So use less plastic bags, recycle water bottles, recycle plastic and stuff. Eat local, buy local means you have to buy local product because this product from the outside of the world, it will take a lot of time and energy to transport it to into your country. So local and buy local. You can also use public transportation because when you drive your own car, it's only you and it just produces greenhouse gases. But if you use public transportation, it's much better. Like buses and trains, they're much better. Or if you want to, you can just ride bicycles. It's a good idea too. Also, buy energy efficient product like LED light bulbs or CFLs. They're better. So stop buying traditional light bulb. It just generates too much heat and also you can try to plant a tree. It's a good idea, I think. Although I don't know who wrote it down, but it's actually a pretty good idea. And stop using plastic products because those plastic products generate too many. It's just wasting stuff. Sorry, there's some internet connection problem. Sorry. Stop using plastic product. This is a very good idea too because plastic is just waste, and by 2015 there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish. So when you go fishing, you might just catch a plastic bag or plastic straws. You might don't not even catch fish. As we say, if there's people who work on oil spill too, but I want to tell them plastic waste is one of the biggest oil spill in the ocean because plastics are made of oil, obviously. Keep your air temperature up. Household also use less hot water because these are the two main causes of greenhouse producing greenhouse gases in household. So just follow it. And last, eat less meat. Example, beef, because our cows produce methane, so eat less. This is we are doing a survey in between greenhouse community. So this is how much people care about greenhouse gases and people who don't care. You can see on graph there's a lot of people who don't care about greenhouse gases and like how to solve the problem and stuff. Very bad idea. Here's another graph of the amount of greenhouse gases that are released per year compared to, as you can see it's almost the same, like same amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen that is released per year. So if this continues, might be just we might just breathe carbon dioxide every second, half, as half of them are carbon dioxide and half of them are oxygen. That's just sad. Finally, if you guys have learned something, please like, subscribe to the video and my channel. Hope you guys have learned something today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. By the way, remember to check the overspell video and the air pollution. Thank you. Works I did. Bye.